Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. This week I'll be making for you Banana Festival. If you'd like to see me do that, then stick around. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. The Jamaican festival is similar to a regular fried dumpling. It is made the same way with the addition of cornmeal, sugar, some spices, and or milk. Now, you may add butter, but it's not necessary. Now, this festival can go with anything, then any regular food, meat, that you'd eat with fried dumpling. For my festival today, I'll be adding one ripe banana just to change the flavor of my festival. Now, to make my festival, in my bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And to this, I'm going to add half a cup of cornmeal and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you may adjust this to suit your household. And to mine, I add a little nutmeg, just a little. I like the flavor. And a little cinnamon, just a dash. And because of the cornmeal, I'll be using half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon. Now I'm going to blend this. All blended. Remember, you can't use too much sugar, it will burn. Now I'm going to put a little bit of butter. You don't have to, but I want the authentic crust that we get back home. You can just eliminate the butter if you want. Now we blend to get a breadcrumb consistency. So I'm using a fork. You may use your hand if you want to. Now remember, this stage you don't have to do. You don't have to use the butter. But to get that authentic crust, this is what we do. Now, this is a typical mixture for festival, but to make mine a bit different, I'm adding 1 ripe banana because I like the flavor, I like the taste, and I like the flavor. You don't want to add too many bananas because it will change the taste. It's overpowering. And I'm going to crush. Now to my banana, I'm adding a little vanilla. That's about a teaspoon. I'm crushing mine until it's very smooth. I don't want lumps in it. Now I'm creating a well for my banana and vanilla mixture, and I'm going to throw my banana in. Now we'll start mixing. At this point, I'm going to use my hand because I need to feel the texture of the dough, and I'm going to start kneading. Need some water, so start add slowly. So we knead until our bowl is clean, and that's about it. Here I'm preparing some fish to eat with my festival. As with the regular dumpling, you would pinch off little balls, then rub them in the palm of your hand, and then you make them very long, just as you'd be doing spinners, and then you flatten. Not very flat, but flatten to get that shape. I'm actually using the oil that I used to fry the fish to fry my festival, and that's also added flavor. Now you're going to place your festival in the oil on medium. You don't want it to be very high because it will burn. Remember, we added sugar. So on medium flame, and you have to watch it at this point and turn it quickly. Now here you have it, Banana Festival. Popularly eaten with fried fish and maybe jerk chicken, whatever you like. It can be eaten with anything. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's soft, and it is wonderful. Try it. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.